Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that GBP USD showing significant trading opportunity. Before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at monthly, first of all, we see that from the monthly GBP USD is currently bullish market. We have seen previous months there is a big long bullish engulfer on the monthly perspective. Now this bullish engulfer is quite significant. As you can see, it has crossed the previous monthly low, and also there is a long wick at the top, and more importantly, this candle has closed past the previous two monthly opening and closing, giving a very high probability for the price to be bullish over the long term. So as a result, this month, once the market opened, we have seen that GBP USD, after little pullback, the market started to move to the upside. Now with that movement, what we can expect now, GBP USD, what I think that in this move, at least the price should test this resistance zone where there is a high liquidity with this monthly doji, or even breaking this high to create a new higher high. Now as this is weekend, we might see deeper pullback in this instrument, and with that pullback we could find significant bullish trading opportunity. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that GBP USD on the weekly, this is a big impulse to the upside. We have seen that there is, with this long wick doji on the weekly time frame, created this big impulse. We can expect a slower time frame correction to the downside on GU. And as you can see, this is the weekly candle, which is a bullish candle after previous weekly middleman. We have seen that GBPUSD, after a pullback, has again gone to the upside. Now this is weekend. As I mentioned, we could potentially see some pullback, and we can expect GBPUSD at least to come back down again to this previous resistance here on the weekly resistance here, which is turning support. And from this zone, we can expect another bullish move on GBP USD. Now looking at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, GBP USD, after this big daily liquidity grab back to back, crossing two daily bullish engulfer, we have seen GBP USD has formed this big move correction to certain Fibonacci level, and we have seen this market again has formed another bullish move. Now from the daily perspective, we see this is another impulse after this correction. Now we can expect the price to come back down for a deeper pullback, where we see this is the starting of this impulse, and this resistance is quite significant, as this is the low of this candle of this move, and this is the high, which is the previous resistance turn support here. And what I think that GBPUSD might come down for a deeper pullback to this level, and then we can expect another bullish move to the upside. And from the lower time frame perspective, we see that there was a strong rejection from the top early today, and with that rejection, what I think that this market might break this local market structure. This is the previous swing low, where we see quite a few 4 hour candle has been rejected from this low local support and created this movement. Now we see the market slowly breaking down. What I think that later today we might see a break to the downside, even breaking this low, creating an overextended market to the downside along this zone. We can expect to find bullish trading opportunity once GBPUSD breaking to this level, creating an overextended. After this big impulse correction, we can expect to go long. As soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on GBPUSD, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBP USD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.